Do you know that many businesses in Africa are silently losing customers? Some have products they cannot sell. Some are beginners, struggling to break even. And many people blame everything on the economy, government policies, and leadership. But I can tell you for free, there are three problems you must check. Number one is visibility. Can people find your business when they search? Number two is clarity. Do people understand what you sell without seeing you personally? Number three is trust. Do people believe in your product enough to buy? Here is the shocker. Each of these problems now has an AI-powered solution, but most people use AI without purpose, drafting quick letters, generating random captions, and making random posts. Business is not random. Every AI tool has its own specialty. Stop using painkiller when what you need is antacid. So let us solve the first problem, visibility. Whether you are in Johannesburg or Lagos, Accra or Nairobi, use Google Business Profile. Then go to Gemini and tell it, I am a business owner specialized in list your products or services. I may have a visibility problem. Draft me a Google Business Profile description, a service list, and answers to questions customers may ask before they visit or call. Take what Gemini gives you. Edit it to sound like your real business. Then add it to your Google Business Profile, your business name, your location, your opening hours, your phone number, your pictures, your customer reviews. That is how you start solving visibility, but visibility alone is not enough. After people find you, they still need to understand your product and trust you enough to buy. In my next class, I will show you the exact AI to use for those two problems. That is the fifth brick. Brick 6 is loading. Stay curious. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.